What did we do before cell phones? Seriously, what did you do?
Hold on.
I do like the security of having a cell phone, but I hate paying so much for the minutes I don't use.
Why don't you switch to Consumer Cellular? Their plan started just $10 a month.
Consumer Cellular is the wireless service designed to save money for people who aren't joined at the hip to their cell phones.
I have Consumer Cellular too, and what I like about it is that there's no contract, and I get discounts for being an AARP member.
Is it a prepaid phone like mine?
No, you get monthly billing.
Oh, and they send usage alerts.
You can change plans anytime without penalties.
When you switch, you can keep your number and we'll give you a free phone.
I'm going to call right now. I thought you guys didn't like talking on the phone.
Why? Call Consumer Cellular at 1-800-468-7801 or go to consumercellulartv.com. Live Viper 11 is brought to you by Farm Bureau Insurance. 11 Connect Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Mark Reynolds holds the Certified Broadcast Meteorologist designation by the American Meteorological Society.
Still looking at mostly cloudy skies, and yes, we are seeing a few showers out there. Some light to moderate rain. It will not last that long. That's good news. Take a look at our Doppler radar. You can see some of the rain showers here. We've been watching this activity now for the past couple of hours. Still seeing some of that rain. You really have to look for the darker green just outside of Jackson City, outside of Grundy, and into Tazewell County in Virginia. So we're going to find these scattered showers through the evening hour. Can't rule out a possible thunderstorm, but already on the backside starting to see some clearing to our west. So yes, we'll see that chance of showers tonight, and then just scattered showers coming our way for your day tomorrow. Current temperature at the airport with a little bit of sun, top of the hour, 66 degrees. South wind at 9, pressure rating at 30-17. Our high today is 69 officially, 44 degrees at low temperature this morning. There are your averages, 58 and 33, so we are still well on average. That trend is going to continue for the
Stop riding on the steering thing.
Low to possibly mid and upper 70s this week. No precipitation today officially, although we have those scattered showers around up until now. 1.47 inches off to our south and west. 87 right now in Monroe, 75 Springfield, 83 degrees in St. Louis at this hour. And the 66 for us, 74 Montgomery, Alabama. Even the northeast corridor warming up. New York City 56, Washington D.C. 71. So yes, we're watching the scattered showers here. A bit of a weak front, but high pressure really anchored offshore. That high is allowing the strongest southerly wind flow, and that's where we're seeing the scattered showers. A possibility for also watching a warm front lifting across the Ohio Valley, and that's the reason we have the best chance for thunderstorms over parts of Michigan. Some of those could produce a tornado. Tornado watch is still in effect there. So as we go through time tomorrow, one little system pushes out to our east. We'll still hold on to the chance of scattered showers, and then Wednesday should be the ideal day. Plenty of sunshine coming our way. As we go through time tonight, there are those scattered showers. We'll find those throughout the evening hour tonight. Few breaks of clouds. More scattered showers are possible tomorrow. But I think that this model is a little bit overdone here, so we'll just call it a mix of sun and clouds. Just that slight chance for those scattered showers, and maybe a stray thunderstorm, especially across some high locations for tomorrow. Not a bad day, and temperatures are staying well above average. All right, for tonight, I'm still expecting variable cloudy skies, that 30% chance of scattered showers. Again, you can't rule out a possible stray thunderstorm. 49 on our low. Tomorrow, look at this temperature. Amazing for this time of the year, 74 degrees. We do have that 20% chance of those scattered showers, and again, a possibility for a thunderstorm. Otherwise, a mix of sun and clouds and light southwest 45 to 15. All right, you ready for the good news? Take a look at Wednesday. Very blessed day. This would be the pick of the week. We're looking at Wednesday's high, possibly anywhere from 75 to 77 degrees. We'll see if